Today we are going to see a web application which is created with CGI and Bash. We have implemented role-based login. We have two roles, admin and user. When admin logs in, it sees admin dashboard, and when user logs in, the user dashboard appears. We are going to analyze the sessions managed by Shell Script for this functionality. I would like to confirm Shell Script is used to perform system administration tasks and not for web application development, as there could be potential vulnerabilities. We have used SQLite database. It is a lightweight DB which is really easy to install, and there is almost no configurations. We installed SQLite 3 on Linux server and inserted our data using this shell script. It creates a table with user, password, and role. Passwords it stores in SHA-256 encryption. All this data in this .db file, which we have kept in the project folder with other files. Now you know why it is a demo project. You can also keep this file someplace safe on the server with proper owner and permissions. This is our project structure, and these are the steps to configure project on the local. You can clone this from GitHub. Link is in the description. After Apache 2 and SQLite 3 installation, you need to clone the repository and configure virtual host for Apache. Once virtual host is configured correctly, you can add server name in the hosts file. Now enable CGI module. We have configured the virtual host for CGI script execution from this project folder only. Now restart Apache, and you are ready to access your project using URL. Now we will see how this project works. Index.html shows first page of the project. Login button takes user on login page, and correct credentials land user in correct account. If you see this login.html, here when credentials are submitted, post request executes login.sh file. In login.sh file, we created a random string as a session ID and set the cookies in header. When user submits credentials, it matches the username and encrypted password saved in SQLite DB. If matched, it creates file with the name of session ID and saves username and role in the file. Then lands user on the dashboard by executing the respective dashboard file. In the dashboard sh file, we get the session ID in the header and match if file with this name exists. If not exists, session expired. If exists, we check the username and role inside the file and shows respective options of the dashboard. If logged in user tries to access dashboard of other role, it gets access denied. We can implement many functionality by creating more sh files which will be mapped with the role. That is why it is necessary to set cookie in the header, so it will validate in every script before revealing the content. In logout script, we are setting the session ID to 0 and redirecting on login page. If non-logged in users try to access inner pages of the application by opening URL, they will get session expired until they log in. This way you can explore CGI side of Bash. It is true CGI Shell has less options comparing to Perl and even lesser than Python, but if you love Shell Script, you should explore every side of it, even if it is weaker. I hope this simple tutorial will help you to create more complex application. Take a look at the code. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching.